In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always restore previous session tabs in the DuckDuckGo web browser. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through a simple way to make sure your browsing sessions are always restored whenever you reopen them. This is especially useful if you often keep multiple tabs open and want to continue exactly where you left off without losing anything. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your desktop computer. Once it is launched, make sure you are on the main browsing window where your tabs are visible. From here, you will need to access the browser's main menu to adjust the startup behavior. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the menu icon, often shown as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains various settings and tools that control how the browser functions. From the menu, select Settings. This will open a new settings panel where you can customize different aspects of the browser. Once inside, focus on the navigation panel on the left-hand side and choose the General section. This area contains the core behavior settings for startup and browsing preferences. Inside the General settings, scroll until you reach the Startup section. This is where you control what happens when the browser is launched. Look for an option related to restoring your previous session or reopening previously opened tabs. If the box for restoring previous sessions is checked, the browser will automatically reopen all your tabs from the last session whenever you started. If it is not checked, the browser will start fresh without restoring your previous tabs. This setting is particularly helpful if you work with multiple windows or research across many tabs, because it ensures you never lose your open pages after closing the browser. However, it is also important to note that if you close multiple windows, the browser will typically restore the most recently closed session. Once this option is enabled, your DuckDuckGo browser will remember your last session automatically, making your workflow smoother and more efficient every time you open it. And that's it. You have successfully configured your browser to always restore previous session tabs, ensuring a seamless continuation of your browsing activity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.